Namaste everyone. I suggest to practice this class from my channel first, which includes information on how to open up your shoulders, back and thighs, which is essential for any deep advanced backward bend. This video also includes a detailed demonstration and instruction on flip grip, which is very important for Purna Natarajasana. Make sure you have practiced this class before you come to Purna Natarajasana class. Also, this is not the class or tutorial for a complete beginner. I'm explaining the flip grip briefly here with the Dhanurasana. So I have my left elbow, shoulder in one straight line. I bend my right knee, I'm stretching right arm back, palm facing the right wall, shifting thumb in between big toe and a middle toe. I'm lifting right foot slightly upward, pulling right elbow down and pushing elbow to the right wall and then turning up to the ceiling. So we have a full shoulder rotation here. We try raising right toe up to the ceiling, keeping the chest lifted, maybe lifting the chin, coming into a full backward bend. To come out, reversing, elbow to the side wall, down to the floor, releasing foot, and we release. So try practicing on the other side also, and then we move on to the next step. We will take a chair and we are practicing flip grip one more time, but in a standing position. So I'm keeping my left ankle and hip in one line, left hand on the chair, right thumb in between big toe and a middle toe, just how we did it earlier. I'm raising toe upward, bending right elbow down, side towards the right wall and up to the ceiling. Keep looking forward somewhere close to you and work on kicking right toe up to the ceiling. Keeping the chest lifted, standing thigh and knee is strong and straight. Reversing to come out. So bend the elbow to the side wall, down and let go of right leg. Okay, make sure you practice on the other side. Also, pause the video and practice on the other side. I'm demonstrating the same position but with a strap. So I'm bringing this strap on middle of the right foot. I'm keeping my left ankle, hip in one line. Already holding the strap with the right hand. And I'm walking my hand a little more closer to the right foot. So see how far you can walk it. Bring it a little more closer, as close as possible. We are doing the same thing. So I bend elbow down, move it to the side wall and up to the ceiling. It might feel easier to do a full rotation on the shoulder if you are practicing with a strap. Kicking the leg upward and then try reversing. Elbow to the side, down, and we release the foot. Practicing on the other side also. Make sure you are practicing equally on both the sides. And here I'm demonstrating the full position without any support. So I have my left thumb in between big toe, middle toe. I'm kicking the toe upward, moving left elbow to the side, up to the ceiling. And I'm keeping my standing foot really strong, shifting right hand on top of the left foot. And if you notice, I'm switching my grip on the left hand now, interlocking the fingers, and I start to kick foot up to the ceiling onto my hands. So as I kick my foot onto my hands, it'll straighten my elbow and increase the entire backward bend. Leaning forward from the chest, pressing the standing big toe a little more extra. Coming out carefully, I'm bending standing knee, right hand to hip, releasing left foot and releasing left arm with a full exhalation. Okay, make sure you're practicing on both the side. I hope you have found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.